Okay, be honest. You've done this. It's midnight, you're not actually hungry, but you open the fridge anyway. And then you just stand there, staring. You think it's been 30 seconds, but when you close the door, full 5 minutes have passed. 5 minutes. That's not a snack. That's a time event. Why does time slow down inside the fridge? And if time really is different in there, what exactly is that humming sound doing? Now compare the fridge to its chaotic cousin, the microwave. When you put 2 minutes on a microwave, that's a speed run. You blink, and it's already yelling at you. Beep, beep, beep. You don't stare at a microwave. The microwave stares at you. The food spins aggressively like it's late for something. Everything feels urgent, heated, pressurized. 2 minutes in the microwave feels like a fast, violent 2 minutes. But the fridge, completely different energy. You open it for a second. Just catch up, that's it. And somehow you exit 5 minutes older. No beeping, no urgency, just contemplation. So clearly, something's happening in there, and I decided to investigate. The first suspect is the fridge light. That light's not normal. It's dramatic. It doesn't turn on. It activates. Like you've just opened a sacred chamber. You don't open a fridge, you enter it. It's museum lighting. Everything inside looks important, significant, and ancient. Even the expired yogurt feels like an artifact. Strawberry. 2023? Of course you're going to stand there and reflect. You're basically under interrogation lighting, but for condiments. Next suspect is the cold air. The second that cold air hits your face, your brain immediately goes, new biome unlocked. You're not in your kitchen anymore, you're in miniature winter. And winter doesn't move fast, winter drags. Summer, blink and it's gone. Winter, that's a slog. So when your head is inside the fridge, congratulations, it's winter again. And winter lasts forever. Especially if you live in Canada, like I do. But here's the real culprit. Decisions. Nothing in the fridge is complete food. It's almost food. Half a slice of pizza. 3.5 grapes. A sauce you bought for one recipe in 2022. A yogurt that expires tomorrow, which feels pretty aggressive. Now your brain has to calculate. Is this enough? Is this worth it? Will shredded cheese improve my emotional stability? You're holding a pickle like it's a major financial decision. That level of processing stretches time. Now we need to consider a more serious possibility. What if the fridge is a minor time portal? Not dramatic, sci-fi movie level, just subtle, low budget. Think about it. It hums constantly, not loudly, not urgently, just humming. It has automatic lighting. It preserves objects from decay. That doesn't sound like just an appliance. That's entry-level wizard behavior. I'm not saying it bends space-time. I'm just saying that hum sounds a little more ancient than it should be. Now here's something else important. This almost never happens during the day. During the day, fridge visits are tactical. Open, grab, close. Efficient, responsible, functional adult behavior. But at 2 in the morning, that's a different story. Your brain is unsupervised, and so are you. You open the fridge and suddenly are thinking way too deeply. Why do we eat 3 meals? Who invented these breakfast rules? Why is leftover pasta more emotional at night? Is soup just hot cereal? And now you're not choosing food, you're questioning society and its rules. While you're debating dairy ethics and carb philosophy, time stretches quietly in the background. So here's the truth. Time doesn't actually move slower in the fridge. You do. The fridge is one of the only moments all day when you fully stop. No scrolling, no walking, no background noise. Just you, cold air, and that leftover pasta from 3 days ago. And when you stop moving, time feels different. It stretches and it settles. The fridge isn't bending time, it's actually pausing you. So the next time you're standing there, bathed in that dramatic glow, holding a slice of cheese like it's a major life decision, remember this. Time isn't slower. You're simply buffering. And maybe drink some water, since you're probably not hungry. You're just investigating the fridge emotionally.